Hi, welcome. My name is Lilia Mesquida. I work for Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Service. I'm the Family and Community Health Agent in Cameron County. Today we're going to be doing the light pumpkin pie. Thanksgiving is coming, and you know we have a lot of food to eat and a lot of desserts, and sometimes we need to be careful the amount of sugars, the intakes that we are having every time that we have our meal. I'm going to be using different ingredients, and are going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be using sugar, but I'm going to be using this one, is the aspartame. This sugar is very different, and this one, you can find it only in this box. There are other sweeteners there, but this is the only one that has aspartame. If you have diabetes, that's a sugar that you can eat without any problems, instead of the other sugars that we have on the market. When you use the sugar aspartame, you are going to lose the sweetness and the flavor if you cook it for a long time. So you can cook it for 15 minutes or less, and it's going to keep all the sweetness. But the other way that you can help to keep that sweetness is if you use it with a little bit of sugar. And this time we're going to be using brown sugar. This one is going to help to keep the sweetness of this one as well. The other way that you can do it is to add any citrus like lemon or orange, and it's going to help also for this type of sugar to keep the sweetness. I'm going to be using also ginger, but this is in powder, and this is the sugar, the aspartame, and cinnamon, and a little bit of salt. And here I have white eggs. I have half a cup. You can use 3 eggs if you want. But if we want to make it more healthier, then we can go with this type of eggs, just the white eggs. And that's going to be half a cup. And you're going to be using the pumpkin puree and the milk. And that's all the ingredients that I'm going to have here. So you mix all that on a bowl, and you don't have to use the blender. You can mix it with a spoon or something, a spatula. And then when it's done, you put it on your crust pie, and you put it in the oven for 425 for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes you go to 375, and that way you're going to have time to your pie to bake and the way it has to be. When it's done, this is the way it's going to look. And you have it here. It's a little bit different than the regular ones, but this one is going to be healthier. It's going to have the same flavors and everything. And then you can use a little bit of Cool Whip. In this case, I'm using that sugar-free, or you can use that fat-free, whatever is your choice. And here is ready to eat and enjoy your pumpkin pie. Remember, the only way you can have something that is gonna still have the same flavor that you like is sometimes it's just to substitute some ingredients, Instead of the regular eggs, you can use the whites, Instead of using the regular milk, you can use the one fat-free, or you can use the soy milk or almond milk, whatever is going to work for you. And that way you are changing some ingredients, and you're making this recipe healthier. So remember that now that Thanksgiving is coming, so enjoy your meals, but also be careful about the ingredients that you are adding in your recipes, and that way you know what you are eating. So this is the only way that you're going to stay healthy, and you're going to be enjoying life, but also you want to be enjoying your food. So thank you for your time, and I hope you will be able to enjoy this pumpkin pie.